Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 17e and let me show you how to apply astronomical wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and mark Add New Wallpaper. And here you can either from this panel pick Astronomy or go a bit lower and here mark Astronomy. Just activate location services and now pick the layout that you want to apply, the planet that you want to have, maybe the whole solar system, just however you like it. I'll stay with Saturn, tap on Add and mark either Wallpaper Pair or Customize Home Screen separately, but I'd like to go with Pair, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is set on both Home and Lock screens. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.